10 must-have kitchen gadgets bought on Amazon. Did you know the average American spends over 400 hours a year in the kitchen? That is more than 2 weeks of your life just cooking, prepping, and cleaning. Now imagine turning that time into something faster, easier, and actually more enjoyable. The secret? Smart kitchen gadgets. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or someone who can barely boil water, the right tools can completely transform the way you cook. Today, we are diving into 10 of the most raved-about kitchen gadgets available on Amazon right now. These aren't gimmicks, they're game changers. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's explore the tools that might just save you time, stress, and a whole lot of counter space. Yeti Total Package Kitchen Set. If you have ever dreamed of a one-stop shop kitchen appliance that can do it all, baking, roasting, grilling, air frying, dehydrating, you are basically describing the Yeti Total Package Kitchen Set. This all-in-one powerhouse is like having a mini professional kitchen right on your countertop. It includes accessories most other appliances make you buy separately: cake carousels, cupcake trays, dehydrator racks, skewers, and more. One of the standout features is the way it combines multiple appliances into a single device, saving you money and valuable kitchen real estate. But beware, multifunction units often get criticized for not doing each job perfectly. Try best sous vide. Sous vide sounds fancy, but it literally means under vacuum in French. And the try best sous vide makes this cooking method accessible even for beginners. This machine brings professional level precision to your home by circulating water at exact temperatures, locking in moisture, nutrients, and flavor. Unlike immersion circulators that require a separate container, the TriBest comes with its own clear water bath, so you can see your food cooking in real time. The integrated design reduces setup time and mess, which is a huge bonus for people who hate fiddling with too many pieces. That said, some purists argue this takes away the modular freedom sous vide is known for. Still, for most people, this plug-and-play setup is more than worth the trade-off. Gourmet Digital Food Scale Precision in cooking isn't just for pastry chefs. The Gourmet Digital Food Scale brings that level of accuracy to every home kitchen. Whether you're measuring spices for a curry or portioning protein for your macros, this ultra-slide scale offers exact readings in grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters, which is ideal for everything from baking to calorie counting. It features a large, easy-to-read backlit screen, a sleek stainless steel finish, and a tare function so you can subtract the weight of bowls and containers. One thing to keep in mind is that batteries need replacing over time, and some users have mentioned a slight lag when switching units. But overall, this scale is a champion of reliability, simplicity, and form factor. ChefSteps Joule Sous Vide meet the sleekest sous vide machine on the market, the ChefSteps Joule. This device redefined what a sous vide circulator could look and feel like. With its slim, compact body and high-tech Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, the Joule is more than just a cooking device, it's a smart assistant. Controlled entirely from your smartphone, it lets you browse recipes, monitor cooking temps, and even get alerts when your meal is ready. The biggest draw? Its patented magnetic base and clip-free design, allowing you to use it with almost any pot. The risk here lies in the app dependency. If you're not into tech or don't love using your phone while cooking, this might not be your style. Still, for many, it's like having a sous chef right in your pocket. For many, it's like having a sous chef right in your pocket. Ninja Foodi Power Blender. When it comes to raw strength, the Ninja Foodi Power Blender practically roars. Designed not just for smoothies, but also for doughs, sauces, and even crushing ice, this gadget lives up to its name. The most impressive thing about it is the Smart Torque motor, built to handle heavy loads without stalling. It comes with multiple containers and a built-in Auto IQ program that customizes blend times based on the task. However, its high wattage and bulk mean you'll need counter space and a willingness to deal with some serious power. Still, it replaces multiple machines, hand mixers, food processors, and traditional blenders. And you know what they say, work smarter, not harder. Especially when your smoothie is ready before you even finish finding your reusable straw, Cosry Smart Air Fryer, imagine perfectly crispy fries without the guilt. Enter the Cosry Smart Air Fryer with 11 presets, a huge 5.8 quart capacity, and Wi-Fi connectivity. This air fryer takes convenience to a whole new level. It syncs with an app that lets you remotely monitor cooking, access dozens of recipes, and receive notifications. It's like your oven got an Ivy League education and a social media account. The downside? Some users feel the app interface could be more intuitive and Unit might be overwhelming for smaller kitchens. But once you get past that, the Cosry Smart Air Fryer becomes an indispensable part of your culinary routine. It preheats quickly, cooks evenly, and gives food that deep-fried texture with a fraction of the oil. Wonkel Food Vacuum Sealer. Fresh food is happy food, and the Wonkel Food Vacuum Sealer is the ultimate guardian of freshness. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, storing leftovers, or planning to sous vide your way through a Sunday, this gadget seals the deal. Literally, it removes air efficiently to prevent freezer burn and extend shelf life, all while offering adjustable settings for dry or moist food. One underrated feature? The pulse function, which gives you control over how much vacuum pressure to apply. Perfect for more delicate items like pastries or soft fruits. But here's the catch. You'll need to stock up on compatible vacuum bags, which can add up over time. Gourmet Digital Pressure Cooker. If you're looking to cook smarter, faster, and with more flavor, the Gourmet Digital Pressure Cooker is basically your new best friend. This multi-function beast combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, and sautéing, all in one sleek, easy-to-navigate package. Unlike older models that could be intimidating or frankly terrifying, this one includes safety lock mechanisms and preset buttons that make operation a breeze. You can cook a hearty beef stew in under an hour or slow simmer beans without hovering over the stove. The only real downside is the steep initial learning curve if you're new to pressure cooking, but once you figure it out, you'll wonder how you ever spent hours hovering over pots. Ozeri Digital Kitchen Scale. The Ozeri Digital Kitchen Scale is a small gadget that delivers big impact. Super slim and stylish, it's perfect for kitchens where counter space is a hot commodity. But don't let the minimalist design fool you. This scale is highly accurate, offering precise measurements in multiple units. It's ideal for bakers who rely on gram-level precision, but also a favorite for those tracking macros or managing dietary plans. Its touch-sensitive buttons and LCD screen make it feel more like a sleek tech gadget than a basic kitchen tool. One minor quirk: the flat surface can sometimes be slippery with certain bowls, so using a silicone mat can help. Still, the Ozeri shines in its consistency, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Ninja Foodi Multi-Cooker. Few gadgets are as versatile and beloved as the Ninja Foodi Multi-Cooker. It combines pressure cooking, air frying, baking, steaming, slow cooking, and sautéing, all in one machine, basically making it the MVP of any modern kitchen. The secret weapon is its tender crisp technology, which allows you to pressure cook food to juicy perfection, then crisp it up with the air fryer lid in minutes. That dual functionality means you can go from frozen chicken to golden crusted perfection in under 30 minutes. But be warned, it's not a small appliance. It's heavy, takes up a chunk of counter space, and you'll want to read the manual before diving in. Still, if you're trying to cut down on the number of appliances you own or streamline your cooking process, it's hard to beat. Imagine making pulled pork, mashed potatoes, and roasted veggies all in one pot, with just one cleanup. If you found this guide helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart product rundowns, and drop a comment letting us know which gadget you're dying to try. Share this video with your fellow foodies, and let's build a kitchen revolution, one tool at a time. Your next meal deserves it. Tim, Jake was a state fair monitor guy, so he's in,